Today we are going to change the engine coolant on the Ultima 2019, which will be the same procedure for every car except the capacity and type of fluid. We had to remove the drain plug to drain the fluid. Then we removed the radiator cap because the pressure released at that point, it will not cause you any damage. But you have to let the car sit for 5-10 minutes so it cools down, so you don't hurt yourself. And in this case we had this car, and the problem was, for every time the car lost any amount of coolant, the owner refilled it with tap water, and it was causing the system a big problem and corrosion a lot. So basically we had to remove the reservoir, and took us some time to clean it properly. And then we had to replace the tap water basically with some antifreeze, 50/50 antifreeze. The boiling point of water is 100 Celsius, and for the engine coolant it depends of the type and quality of the engine of the coolant. But usually it is above 150, 60, 70 Celsius. It depends, of course, again on the quality of the engine coolant fluid. We did drain the coolant, and then we put the drain plug back, and we actually did replace it with some proper antifreeze. I hope you did enjoy the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up so it will help the video to reach others, hopefully, and get some benefit out of it as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.